English to French. What is?
Qu'est-ce que?
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the French question, what is?
Qu'est-ce que?
Keep your curiosity hat on and your smile ready. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask, what is, anywhere, confidently. Say it like, Qu'est-ce?
Qu'est-ce que?
Gesture tip. Raise both hands, palms up, tilt your head, and ask.
Qu'est-ce que?
Memory hook. Qu'est-ce?
Qu'est-ce que?
Pronunciation beat. Clap with me. Qu'est-ce? Beat 1. You repeat slowly.
Qu'est-ce que?
Beat 2. A little faster.
Qu'est-ce que?
Finish with a soft rising tone.
Qu'est-ce que?
Mini dialogue at the cafe. Let's try a tiny scene. You're pointing at a mystery pastry. You, excuse me, what is?
Qu'est-ce que?
Waiter.
C'est un éclair au café.
You, nice, I'll take it. Narrator. A baguette with glasses looks at a croissant and mutters.
Qu'est-ce que?
Even bread gets curious. Memory hacks. Lock it in with silly tricks. Mnemonic. Think, Qu'est-ce?
Qu'est-ce que?
Rhyme. When you're not sure what to do, say, KK.
Qu'est-ce que?
That's your clue. Movement. Point, lean in, and ask.
Qu'est-ce que?
Loci. Your front door whispers.
Qu'est-ce que?
Every time you enter. Taste and smell. Tiny cheese bite, sniff baguette, say.
Qu'est-ce que?
Culture tip. Use it like a local. For general, what is, say.
Qu'est-ce que?
Or the set question.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Don't overuse.
Quelle?
Here, save them for choices like.
Quelle heure est-il?
Curiosity first, clarity follows. Rapid drills. Your turn, micro challenges. Say it out loud. In class you ask.
Qu'est-ce que?
Pointing at a menu item.
Qu'est-ce que?
Before starting a task.
Qu'est-ce que?
Combo chain.
Qu'est-ce que? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
What is it? Quick quiz. Lightning round, answer fast. Q1. How do you ask, what is, in French? A.
Qu'est-ce que?
Q2. At a museum, point at an artifact and say it now.
Qu'est-ce que?
Q3. Odd one out.
Qu'est-ce que? Qui est? Où est? Parce que.
Answer.
Parce que.
Challenge time. Let's make it real. Pick 3 objects around you. For each, point, lean forward, and ask out loud.
Qu'est-ce que?
Then reward yourself with a tiny chocolate if you did it, yes, really. Merci and next steps. You crushed it. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Qu'est-ce que?
Today at a shop, a class, or your kitchen. For more lessons and podcasts, visit www.synapse-lingo.com.
À bientôt.
See you soon.